Hello guys and welcome to my video. Do you have some problems with your hot end and your bed temperature? Is the temperature fluctuating constantly? Then you have to make a PID tuning. If you want to learn how to make it, you need to watch this video. Let's start. You have got two options. Option 1, you have a RaspberryPi with Octoprint installed, or option 2, you use Prontaface. With Prontaface you have to connect your PC with your 3D printer via USB cable. I will show you how you can do the PID tuning with the RaspberryPi, but the Prontaface works the same way. Okay, you just need to follow the next 5 steps. Step 1, watch this video. Step 2, turn on your 3D printer. Step 3, turn on your RaspberryPi. Step 4, connect them. Step 5. Go to the terminal of Octoprint and type in the following comments. M303 is the command for the PID autotune. S200 sets the temperature to 200. If you want to print with a higher temperature, you need to type in the temperature you need. C10 sets the cycles to 10. The autotune will run 10 times. You can set the number to a higher value if you don't like your result.
Many minutes later.
After a few minutes we got our results. Let's take a look. We got new values for P, I and D. We have to save these values. We type in M301, the new values, and we save. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button and all. I hope I see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.